Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link to a section on a different page in Webflow. First of all, navigate to the page where you want to link to a specific section. Select the section you want to link to and in the settings panel, give it a unique ID. For example, let's use About Us. This ID is crucial for linking. Next, go to the page where you want to create the link. Select the element you want to turn into a link, like a button or text. In the link settings panel, select page from the drop-down menu. Now choose the target page from the list. After selecting the page, add a hashtag followed by the ID you set earlier. So it should look like this. This tells Webflow to scroll to the specific section on that page. Finally, make sure to preview your site and test the link. Click on the link you created and it should take you directly to that section on the other page, and that's it. You have successfully linked it to a section on a different page in Webflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.